How to change the headlamps on your 2016 Scion IA. Here's the headlight right there. A replacement bulb. Grab this part, pull it really hard until it comes out. Then you see the prongs on the headlight there. Pull this boot plastic off. Once you get it up, you'll see a little clip down here. Right in there. Boot off. Here's the clip. That metal prong there. That gets released. Once you get that prong out, headlamp comes out. Broken bulb, wrong color. Probably was an aftermarket replacement, that was trash. Replacement bulb goes in. Only lines up one way. Prong piece goes back in. This clips around like that. So it's secure. Boot piece. Push it back on. Make sure it's tight so it's water sealed. Clip, plugs back in. And you're done.